I'm sure most of you are familiar with Chex Mix. It's basically a salty snack based on Chex cereal with maybe some peanuts and pretzels added and a coating of ranch or Italian dressing. Well, today we're going to talk about a Chex Mix of a sort, but in the other direction. This one's going to be sweet. I got this recipe from my mother-in-law, and she called it the addiction. Stick around, and you'll find out why.
This is a fairly simple recipe. Just add a cup of butter, a cup of white sugar, a cup of light caramel syrup, and after this is through cooking, we'll add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You just stir this around, let the butter melt, and bring it up to a boil. Once the mixture has come to a full boil, turn the heat down to medium and let it continue to boil for 5 minutes. There's no need to stir it. For the dry ingredients, we have 4 cups of Golden Graham cereal, 4 cups of Rice Chex, 1 cup of shredded coconut, and 1 cup of chopped pecans. The pecans, of course, are optional. Now we'll add our caramel sauce to this dry mix. You want to get after this pretty quick while the sauce is still hot. That allows you to stir the dry ingredients in and get everything coated really well as the caramel starts to cool. Once I had it mixed thoroughly, I divided mine in 2 and put them in cookie sheets, half of which I mixed in some M&Ms because I like chocolate.
Well, there you go, folks. A pretty simple recipe. Not super healthy unless you're talking about mental health, because this will sure enough put you in your happy place. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.